So in today's video, we are doing a sleek back ponytail. So I did do a deep condition. I had avocado, banana, eggs, and tea tree oil. So I went ahead, put on some gloves because it does get messy, and I went ahead and started on the deep condition. So I parted the hair in 4 sections, and I went ahead and went piece by piece and lathered this deep condition all over her hair. Once I'm done adding the deep condition to her hair, I go ahead and wash her hair out with these products. And once I'm done with the washing, I go ahead and add in the leave-in conditioner so I could detangle her hair. Once I'm done with the detangle process, I go ahead and split the hair in 4 and braid it up and let it sit overnight. We then came back the next morning and I began to blow dry her hair. I did add in heat protectant and oil to help protect her hair from the heat of the blow dryer. Make sure that the hair is completely dry, because once we're done with this step, we're going to go ahead and start flat ironing the hair. Make sure once you start flat ironing, you take small sections and get it as straight as possible, since we're doing a sleek look and it's going to be pulled to the back. Next, you will go ahead and start creating the ponytail. What I like to do is go section by section and spray the hair down with Got To Be spray. You could really use any type of hair holding spray that you like to use, and then just blow dry it down so that way it doesn't have that hump in the middle. And also that way you can kind of swoop the hair and mold it to the way that you need it to be for the style. When you start to braid down the ponytail, I usually like to separate it in 3, go ahead and get my portions all even. And then I start to go ahead and braid it down. Now, if it's easier for you, the hair does come on a rubber band. You take that, instead of taking the hair loose, you could take that rubber band and tie it to the ponytail so that way it's easier to control. And you just go ahead and braid down the hair. As for the little piece of hair that you see sitting off her shoulder, I use that to wrap around the base of the ponytail to cover up the ponytail holders and rubber bands that I use to put her hair in a ponytail. I use hairspray in the blow dryer to just hold that piece in place so it doesn't come loose. Now the last thing I do for the ponytail is the edges. I don't do it while I'm doing the ponytail because I'm still trying to swoop the bang to the way I need it to be. So I just use the edge control in the brush to just go ahead and swoop the sideburns, and then just go ahead and tack down the front of the bang to the spot that I need it to be in. here is the finished look. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments.